Kaku thinks these are possibly extraterrestrial drones. Do you think that there's possibly a pilot inside? Has any attempt been made to contact these craft? Or is that classified still?
I just don't know if I'm qualified to answer that.
Gotcha.
Look, Dr. Michio Kaku might be absolutely correct. And by the way, let me say for the record, I really applaud his position and his willingness to at least have the conversation. Now, are they possible that these are probes? Sure, absolutely it is.
Yeah.
But is there also indication that these things may have something or someone inside? Possibly, yeah. Is there anecdotal evidence to suggest that? Well, there's I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, fair enough. You said more than I expected, honestly.